The question is to find the basis for the subspace of R4 spanned by the following 5 vectors. So let's call first H the subspace of R4 spanned by these vectors. In other words, H is the column space of the matrix A, where A is the matrix whose columns are the vectors U1 to U5. Now all we have to do is to find the pivot columns of A, as we know that the pivot columns of A form a basis for the column space of A. Now a series of elementary row operations on A give this row echelon form of A, showing that the pivot columns of A are the first, the third, and the fifth column. Therefore, the vectors U1, U3, U5 form a basis of H. Be careful to take the pivot columns of the matrix A itself and not the pivot columns of a row echelon form of A, as these columns here are not even necessarily in the column space of A.